Hey everybody, welcome back. So now I'm gonna show you to make this kind of level stunning, stunning things. So stunning, yeah. So I'm gonna make a thumbnail for this video I'm doing right now. So let's go to Play Store, and I'm using the app that you already seen, InShot. So I'm just going search in the in in short. Now search it, and yeah, I get in shot. Now I'm taking it. I'm taking this thing. So I'm just getting. Now I'm going to get a screenshot of this thing. Okay, now I got a screenshot. Now I can just go to my gallery. Now I'll take that picture. Now I'm going to edit it. Now crop it. I'm going to crop it into okay, that's just it. Now I'm going to save it. Now let's go and take InShot itself. Uh, so yeah, now let's make the thumbnail. Let's start making the thumbnail. So first of all, we need some pictures to start with. So I'm taking, for instance, this picture. I know that's a bit weird. Anyway, I'm just going to change the background to black. So I'll be using black. Now I need to, inside the canvas, I need to change the ratio of the size to 16 is to 9, as that's the YouTube thumbnail ratio. So I'm setting that, and yeah, remove that by just I removed that by just sliding that off the screen. And now let's start adding text. Now make, as this is going to be making, this video is going to be about making thumbnail, right? So I'm gonna do make, and yeah, maybe I'll do this kind of, for some good looking. Now let's just rotate it like this and place it somewhere up here. Now, yeah, now we can change the label color as we like. I'm setting it to this one right now. Now let's go ahead and make another text, and let's call this one thumbnail, make thumbnail, and let's set the color. That looks very nice. But no, text color should be different, as I want a different text. Oh yeah, and I'm going to change the label style. Okay, now the make is going to be up here, and I'm going to change the text. Now that looks like a very good one, but there are some flaws. One of it is that when we make like this, and let's change opacity. Let's change the opacity. 80 will do fine. Oh, 80 is not doing fine, sorry. Oops. I'll just edit that and change the opacity to 95 would. Oh, what's the text? Oh, sorry, text. Okay, so I need something about 98. It's just for it will look a bit more nicer. I don't know. It's just lagging a lot. Yeah, that would do nice. A good look. It will add a good look to it. And this one, let's make the label and change opacity. And now this looks good. Now next thing to do, now we have another thing, because we're going to make it with InShot, right? We're just right now making it with InShot. And let's do the width. cancel out that one, and the text is going to be white. Oops, sorry. Now here is going to be where now this is going to be where the picture we took before is going to be get used. Now go to stickers. Now let's go to plus and take the picture we took made before and size it down, put it like this. Now this and this looks pretty stunning, right? This looks pretty stunning. So that's how you do it. Yeah, now this is very good thumbnail, but if it feels like this is not enough for you, okay, so now let's just put a frame. Oh no. Oops. Sorry for what happened. I need to re-get. Oh no, the thumbnail is lost, fully lost. Now, yes, bit tuning and editing do the job. So Bebas is my phone. I don't know the label. I know the label code was this, oh, this I guess. Text code was this. No. Mm. Now this just, yeah, we just made our thing. Now save it. Now we'll get saved. And now you can use it in your videos. That's